Media friends, we 11-member delegations from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha went to the Honorable Rashtrapati regarding the Aparajita Women and Child West Bengal Criminal Laws Amendment Bill 2024, awaiting the assent of the Honorable Rashtrapati ji. So, what is our demand? So, our demand is punishment for rape have been enhanced to reflect the severity of the crime. Enhanced penalties, including stricter life imprisonment provisions and a faster appeals proposes for extreme cases, will act as a strong deterrent for the offence of rape. The proposed amendment prescribes, number 1, minimum punishment, that is rigorous imprisonment for life. Number 2, maximum punishment, that is death penalty. It proposes that any fine imposed should be fair and reasonable to cover the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim. Number 2, addition of provision for special courts dedicated to sexual violence cases in protection of children against sexual offence and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So why the delay in enacting the legislation? Our demand is matters for criminal law fall under the current concurrent list in Schedule 7. Both union and state governments can legislate on this matter. The Aparajita Women and Child West Bengal Criminal Laws Amendment Bill 2024 was passed unanimously by the West Bengal Legislative Assembly with the opposition's full support on 6 September 2024, and on the same day West Bengal Governor reserved the bill for presidential consideration. Governor's role under Article 200. Upon passage by the state legislature, the bill is presented to the governor. The governor has 3 options. Number 1, assent to the bill. Number 2, withhold assent. Number 3, reserve the bill for presidential consideration, as done in this case. So, and what does the bill change actually? This bill seeks to mandate swift, streamlined procedures for handling rape cases, ensuring justice is neither delayed not denied. By implementing clear timelines for investigation and trial, this bill seeks to reinforce public trust, strengthen the deterrent against such heinous crimes. It mandates the completion of investigation and the filing of charge sheet within 21 days of registering the first information report. Current provision allows 2 months. Number 2, the completion of trial within 30 days from the filing of charge sheet.